Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today I'm going to show you basic algebraic expressions. If we have a plus a plus a plus a, we have 4a. If you count it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then if we have a times a times a times a means a raised to the power of 4, meaning a times itself 4 times, you have a raised to the power of 4. If we have 4a squared plus 2a squared is the same thing as 6a squared. Then if we have 6a squared minus 4a squared is the same thing as 2a squared. Just subtract the coefficients. Then if we have 2a cubed plus a squared plus 3a squared is the same thing as 2a cubed plus 4a squared. Cube is different from squared. We add the coefficient of these two, which is a squared plus 3a squared. Coefficient of a here is 1. Then we continue. If we have 4a raised to the power of 7 times 2a raised to the power of 2, what we do, we multiply 4 and 2, which are the coefficient of the unknown, which is 2 times 4 gives us 8. Then we come back to the power. We add up the power, which is a raised to the power of 9. That is, in law of indices, whenever we have a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n is the same thing as a raised to the power of m plus n. So we apply this law whenever we have products. So we have product here. Then we move further. If we have 8a raised to the power of 7 divided by 2a raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as we divide the coefficient, which is 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. Then we subtract the power of the base, which is a raised to the power of 4. In law of indices, we still have whenever we have a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to the power of n is the same thing as a raised to the power of m minus n. If I want to explain this expression to its simplest form, I will write 8a raised to the power of 7 divided by 2a raised to the power of 3. This is the same thing as 8 times a into 7 places. A, and a, which is 7, all over 2 times a times a times a in 3 places. This a will cancel this a will cancel the other a will cancel the other a. Left with how many a? 1, 2, 3, 4. Left with 4a. Because we are multiplying, it becomes a raised to the power of 4. Then 2 here, 1, 2 into 8 gives us 4, which is back to what we have before. Then we continue. If we have a raised to the power of 4 or raised to the power of 2, what we do, we just multiply the powers. It will give us a raised to the power of 8. How do we know? We have, this is a raised to the power of 4 all squared is the same thing as a raised to the power of 4 times a raised to the power of 4. And if we have this, we can apply the law of indices, which we have here. We add up the power to give us back a raised to the power of 8 if we add 4 plus 4. Or if we want to continue to simplify it, we still have a in 4 places times a times a times a times a times a times a times a. If you add all of them, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is back to the question. Now you solve these two and leave your answer in the comment section. If this helped, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.